Regarding my previous video in installing this reverse light bar, it's turned out to be a good light. Unfortunately, the beam was a very concentrated spot beam, and it got me thinking, how could I diffuse it? And I came up with a way that I'm using a plastic lid container. I've cut out a piece that fits over the lens. Now this lid has got these honeycomb design that's obviously got thinner and thicker pieces of plastic that will ultimately be able to diffuse the light. I'm gonna flick on the car in reverse now and show you guys the result. So as you can tell, that's a highly concentrated spot beam, and if I the lens over, well, it's a bit hard, but it turns to a flooded beam. We can see on this side that spot it again, put the lens, it lights up the side walls of the garage. Now we can tell that from about here, that's when the camera can pick up the lens. Then if we put this little plastic bit, look at that huge wide angle. So that's the way I decided to do that. The best bit is that it's easy and free, and so this plastic made it fit pretty snug in here, and the lens's rubber gasket just holds it nice and firm. If this comes loose, I can just always cut myself a new piece. Ultimately, if you just, I'll see how this goes while I'm driving. You can just probably glue it in the corners, and that will definitely prevent it from moving, but that's what I've come up with, and hopefully it will be useful.